Ever find yourself endlessly scrolling for that perfect movie or series to binge watch? It's a common conundrum. Too much choice can lead to indecision, but there's a solution, offering diverse quality content to satisfy any viewer's taste. Well, Amazon Prime might be the answer to all your streaming dilemmas. Now you might wonder what sets Amazon Prime apart from the rest. Well, let's delve into that. First off, Amazon Prime boasts an expansive library of movies and TV shows that's constantly growing and evolving. Whether you're a fan of blockbuster hits, cult classics, or heartwarming dramas, there's something for everyone. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Prime is home to a plethora of exclusive original content that you won't find anywhere else. But what if you're on the go with no internet connection? No worries, Amazon Prime has got you covered. You can download your favorite shows and movies and watch them offline. And let's not forget about the visual experience. Prime supports 4K Ultra HD and HDR capabilities, ensuring that you get the most vivid and lifelike viewing experience possible. But the icing on the cake? You can simultaneously stream on multiple devices. That means no more fighting over the remote. And that's not all. Amazon Prime is more than just a streaming service, it's a lifestyle. With Prime, you get free 2-day shipping, access to a vast library of songs on Prime Music, and a treasure trove of books and magazines on Prime Reading. With all these features at your fingertips, Amazon Prime indeed stands in a league of its own. So, are you ready to elevate your streaming experience? If you're curious about Amazon Prime, why not test the waters with our 30-day free trial? This is your chance to discover an ocean of content, all without making a single penny of financial commitment. With this golden opportunity, you can dip your toes into the Amazon Prime world and decide if it's the right fit for you. Take the leap, give Amazon Prime a try, and transform your viewing experience today.